This is it then, the game they've all been waiting for. Well, let's see how the teams line up today. And this is the 11 unveiled by the home team. Now let's look at the away team. Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today. Well cut out. Volleyed on. Well struck. What a goal. They've done the hard work. Can they hold on? That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. That's good link-up play. They've taken it down the wing. Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper. Headed on. Oh, he must score. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. And here's the build-up to that great goal. Tomato. That's nicely played. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Great ball. Moving down the flanks here. A short pass from the keeper. Finds his teammate. Striker's ball. The striker picks it up. Salah. So close. The fans thought it had gone in, but let's see how close this was to a goal. Played short by the keeper. Good ball. Oh, well intercepted. That's it for now. It's half-time. They brought on a few substitutes for the second half. Well, I want to hang on to this lead and possibly try and add to it. Should be a really interesting second half. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. Here's Neves. He tries something special. Oh, what a goal! Here's a replay of that great goal. He did well to win the ball back. Tries a long shot. He's almost celebrating. So unlucky. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Confident pass. Good clean challenge. Defender then back on the ball. Lovely passing here. And with the defender now. Not much chance for a comeback here. Good defending now. Good distribution. Passed well. He's got the goal in his sights. And he's scored! Goals are flying in here, and he'll be chuffed with adding another. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. That's good link-up play. Well read. He dribbles the ball forward. And he fires wide into the side netting. They've beaten the best and given their all. That fine victory means they go home with a Diamond Cup. The players and the fans cheer in unison. They've done it. They've won the Diamond Cup.